Hello, a very good morning, a very good afternoon, and a very good evening. Whoever is seeing this video, it's a welcome to my channel. This is Shilpa Bhatt, mind, career, and life coach. So, it's a interview preparation video, and where you will get a lot of tips and professional guidance for your interview preparation. It's whichever the interview, example, it's maybe a job interview or examination later stage interviews, you have to prepare how you have to prepare and how you have to introduce yourself, how you have to prepare your mindset. Everything will get here. This is the topic is ace your interview, the preparation advantage. Transform from nervous candidate to confident contender through strategic, systematic preparation. So, are you ready now? Yes, hopefully be ready with the very confidence tone. That is, I will be ready ace the interview and definitely will get the job offer this time. Next, what is the current scenario? It's because 300, 300, 3 plus, that's a 3 times leader. That's you will get more offers. Candidates who prepare thoroughly and significantly outperform those who wing it. Example, who prepare well, or they will get more 3 times more offer letters. And next time, those who are not prepared, 47% are failed due to because of poor research, and 69.5% decide in first 5 minutes. Interviewers form initial hiring decisions within the first 5 minutes. That is means first impression is the best impression. So be prepared with the confidence, move forward. Next, how it has been, that is designed in 2006, that is interview landscape beyond technical skills. Example, this behavior interviews is dominating. Companies prioritize human skills like communication skills, collaboration skills, leadership over technical abilities alone. And AI's influence, that is, AI tools are now used for practice and screening, example, ATS system and such, making preparation more sophisticated and accessible. First impressions matters a lot. So as I have already told you, first impression, that is 69.5% of interviewers make hiring decisions within the first 5 minutes, whether we have to take the candidates or not. Next, deep dive research, 7 to 14 days out. Once you get the offer letter from the company, what you have to do? You have to understand the core principles and how they align with your own. And second thing is recent news and products. Show you are up to date and engaged with the latest developments. And third thing is culture and employee experience. Use Glassdoor and LinkedIn to gain authentic insights to workplace culture. They are the very good professional platforms where you can gain employee culture and employee work experience. Next is fourth point is interviewer research and find a common ground on LinkedIn and anticipate their perspective. Example, interviewer try to understand the mindset of the interviewer. Example, it may be a Infosys, it may be a technical company, ground company, it may be a marketing research company, it may be a finance company, anything. But based on that, you have to decide, understand the interviewer's mindset. Next, competitor analysis. Demonstrate business awareness by understanding their competitive and landscape. Then experience their product. If possible, if it's a product-based company, try try to start taking their product and start there using it so that you will get the clear idea. Next, decoding the job description. It's your cheat sheet. Example, if you are thorough with the job description, that is JD, then it's the work is half done because you will know the top skills. You will arrange your mindset so that you will fit for that job. So, identify top requirements. Focus on skills and qualifications mentioned repeatedly throughout the description. Hopefully, I'm understandable by your side. If you have any doubts, please comment and I will definitely clear the your doubts. And you can get me the appointment also. My mail ID is shilpabhat.21k@gmail.com. So my second decoding the JD is distinguish must haves and versus nice to haves. For example, see if the JD is not fit for you, if you feel like that, don't disqualify yourself prematurely. Do not judge yourself before itself. Okay, so many requirements are aspirational. It's you can qualify later also. So, translate corporate jargon. Understand what fast-paced, self-starter, or rockstar really means in context. Hopefully, I'm making understanding you word by word so that you can understand the GD and understand the yourself and understand how to apply your skills and professional experience to qualify the interview. Map your experience. Connect your background directly to the needs with specific examples. Now, building your story bank, the STAR method and beyond. That is, prepare yourself 5 to 8 core stories, cover collaboration, problem solving, failure, leadership, and innovation scenarios. Example, situation. With the exam in the situation, what you have the task you have performed, how you have acted, and especially how you take the right risk, and what was the result, and how you have solved it. So the center set the context and the background. That is the star method and situation, task, action, and result. Next, practice makes man perfect. So beyond rote memorization, behavioral into practice. That's very important. Record yourselves to predict nonverbal communication, clarity, and confidence in your delivery. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ you have to change your tone, you have to take the mock interviews. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ you will makes to confidence, make increase the confidence. Okay, so example, tell me about yourself. Mirror practice, it's a wonderful practice where you can improve yourself, your facial expression, your body language, your confidence, your voice modulation, your tone, everything. So, and next is use the present, past, and future framework to craft a compelling narrative arc. Reverse interview strategy. Example, ask questions that show you have envisioned yourself succeeding in the role. Example, Andre, you have already got the offer letter and you have started the work and you are taking the interview of that person so that it makes the interview very practical and you will have a very confident arena of area of experience, and definitely you will make yourself confident, you will ace the interview. Next is technical practice. Focus on patterns, thinking out loud, articulate your problem solving process. That's very important. Next is mental game, managing anxiety and first impressions. Okay. This is anchoring technique. Associate confidence with physical triggers like posture or breathing patterns. Once you enter the interview hall, you will get tensed. You will breathe very fast. for that also you have to take mindful pauses. It's okay to pause for a few seconds before answering quality over speed. So you no need to answer fatapat answers, okay? But you have to take a pause. You have to take a very neatly mannered answers with a calm mind, with a confident gestures. So that means there is no exaggerate nods, only the vocal inflections in remote interviews to convey the engagement. Okay. Next, logistics and interview day, and how you will go for the interview on the interview day. In virtual interviews, you have to log in before 5 minutes itself, test the technological aspects, lighting, audio, everything. And in person interviews, arrive 10 to 15 minutes early and before the interview started, and compose yourself and observe the environment. And what are all the things you bring? Resume, copies, notepad, pen, any requested materials, and dress appropriately. Align your attire with company culture. Research or ask about dress code. Okay, so hopefully your mindset is ready for the interview, and this interview preparation series will go on. I will make the other interview guide preparation courses with the other languages, Kannada, Hindi also. So hopefully you will align with that. And if you have any comments, any feedback, let me know. And the offer is yours. After that strategic follow-up you have to do. Thank you notes. Reiterate the interest if you are not selected. And the address this concern you have to mention very carefully. And you have to have a patience. That's the patience, perseverance is the key for your life. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much.